guys, it's Annette in Gelatin in far north Queensland. I'm just trying another bloom, this time on a little heart shape. I did a sample one last night for myself and I quite like the colours, but I don't know if I'm good enough yet to go any bigger, but I shall give it a try. So this is for Christy over in the United States in Maryland, because her and I have very similar pigments, and the ones I'm using tonight are all ArtiSue pigments, which is a company which is now out of function. Okay, so that's just a White House paint as a pillow, and to hold the pigments up a bit, I'm going to use some Boom Gel. This is Sterling Wax White. And then the pigments, so this is ArtiSue Yellow Sparkle, or Sparkle Yellow, I'm not sure which. ArtiSue Orange Zest. This one's Atelier Pyro Red, and it's a tube paint. The pigments in the tube paint are all mixed with the same pouring medium as per the Shelee, or Shelee I should say, Shelee Art e-course that I did. This is another ArtiSue colour, it's called Fuchsia. Getting a bit off centre there. And another ArtiSue colour called Lipstick. I love this colour, it's really bright, and I'm not a pink person at all. And then I have Jo Sonja Diox Purple, which is a tube paint. And just to make sure it holds up the CA well enough. I had one before and it just disappeared. I don't think I've got the CA thick enough. So this is just a bit of the Boom Gel, Willy Wagtail Black, and then I might go Amsterdam, what's the one? That's a Lamp Black, and then Amsterdam Titanium White. I probably don't need the Boom Gel there, but yeah, I thought I'd give it a try. And I can see I've got the little halo around the white, which is good. Excuse my buff head while I blow. Right, I've got it a bit bigger. I'm just going to try and blow it more across the colours now. Alright, just waiting for it to come back in. Alright, I'm just going to come around there and hopefully put this on pause and take you over to my spin pit to spin it out. Oh, sorry, me mucking around with the camera there, but it's on the big spinning table. Let's hope I don't just spin it right off. We'll give it a go. Okay. Just go a bit slow to start with while I work it out. Give it a faster one. If it's not going off one side, you just adjust it towards the side that you need the paint to go to, so it's slightly off centre, and it should go over that way. Okay, maybe a smidge more. You can't leave too much paint on there, it'll crack quite easily. The top surface will dry before the bit underneath. Okay. Alright, I think it's just about done. One more, and then I'll take it down and have a look at it. I might spin it a few more times after I've finished. I'm not sure yet. I need to pick it up and just check that the paint's not moving too easily anymore. Alrighty. Okay, I'll just bring you down. Hopefully without turning this off. Just zoom out a little bit. That's better. There we go. Quite striking, isn't it? Okay. Sorry about my camera stuff-ups. I'm still getting used to videoing. But thanks for watching.